In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, all the lovely kids. I hope you all are doing well and in the best state of health and iman. In the Kids Quran Journey, today we are going to start Islamic studies from the very beginning. So let's start today's lesson from the book number 1 and the chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is about Al-Ahad. In this chapter, we will learn about Al-Ahad. Who is Al-Ahad? Allah is Al-Ahad. Allah is one and Allah is Al-Ahad. Allah is one and He is the one God. Allah was not born, He will not die. He has no father, He has no mother, He has no wife, He has no children. Allah is one and alone. Allah is one. He has no partner. He has no need for the children to live after Him. Allah has no need for children to live after Him. Allah does not need children to help Him. He does not need anyone to help him. Man needs to eat. Man needs to drink. It means we need to eat and we need to drink. But Allah don't need to eat and don't need to drink. Man needs to sleep. Man needs to rest. But Allah does not need to do any of these things. Allah does not need to rest. Sleep does not come to Him. Nothing tires Him. Allah does not feel sleepy. Allah does not feel sleepy. Allah does not eat. Allah does not drink. He gives man to eat. He gives man to drink. What does this mean? That Allah gives us to eat everything. Allah gives us to drink everything, whatever we drink. This lesson was all about Al-Ahad. Al-Ahad. Ahad means one. Who is one? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is one. He is the one God. Allah was not born. He will not die. After reading chapter number 1, we have to memorize these 4 points that Allah is one. He is the one God. Allah was not born. He will not die. Inshallah, we will do our next lesson in the next video. So please subscribe, share and press the bell icon for the next video. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep all of you in His good care. Aameen. Allahumma Aameen. See you all in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah.